Kudos to Mary's legal advisor and team. When it comes to this issue, this case of divorce between Edochie and Mary, a lot has happened. A lot has happened. And Mary's legal advisor and team, they do not spare any moment. They do not spare Edochie at all or Judy Austin. They know fully. They know that Edochie and Judy Austin wanted to use the power of social media. They thought that they had, particularly Edochie, that they had a lot of followers and that they could manipulate. Well, I'm going to take you guys to what the legal team of Mary is saying. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. This has to do with adultery. Because according to May's legal team, this could be your biggest mistake. When it comes to overlooking your husband's adulterous behavior, Nigerian law is not different or is no different from the laws of other countries. Forgiving your husband's adultery can put you in a difficult legal position. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to hear more. But before we proceed further, please like, share, tap on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Returning subscribers and those that have been here, I say a very big thank you to you. And to those that have tapped on that thanks button, may your pockets never run dry. The one with the love icon and $ in love feet. If you also want to be a part of this, you like what we do, and you want to encourage us more, please do tap on the same button. Forgiving your husband's adulterous ways can put you in a difficult legal position. So, if you want to reject your husband's adulterous behavior, you must do it immediately and completely. Meaning you must stamp your foot on the ground and say no. If you overlook it or play over it, it will come back to haunt you. It is called condonation in family law, meaning condoning, accepting, allowing. Let's try the definitions of condonation so you can understand that failure to completely reject adulterous behavior may turn out your biggest mistake. Condonation is defined as the forgiving or forgiveness of a marital offense. Condonation is actually a defense your husband can assert if you sue him for adultery. The defense will be that after you became aware of his adultery, you forgave him or you overlooked it. Now, this is getting deep. This is getting deep. For those who do not understand the complexity of divorce, this is one of it. This is one of it. Very important. And I trust May's legal team to go deeper. The definition of condonation is the act of forgiving, excusing, or overlooking a wrongdoing. In divorce proceedings, condonation can be used as a defense wherein the respondent states that the petitioner had already condoned the act that constituted the ground for divorce. Simply put, you had accepted it in time past. You said it's okay. You forgive me. Well, now let's get to the tricky part in our understanding of condonation. Condonation does not occur only when you utter the phrase, I forgive you for committing adultery with Judy. Instead, Condonation occurs by conduct. When it came to light that he had been dating Judy for 6 years and actually had a child with her, what did you do as his wife? When he begged his wife to forgive him, what did she do? He also tried to continue conjugal contacts with his wife, meaning Edochie tried to see if he can use his bola in Mary's pekus. If his wife had allowed him to touch her again, that would have amounted to condonation. So condonation is not only about, in fact, it is not even when you say, I forgive you for committing adultery. Yes, you can forgive someone. There is no crime in forgiving. Yes, I forgive you for being a mess. I forgive you for what you did. I forgive you that you had a child with the person. But that does not stop the person from quitting. So if Mary had accepted, this is what Edochie would have used against him in the court of law. And if that had happened, it would be difficult for the wife to succeed in a divorce petition. The proud polygamies would be able to assert the defense of condonation by saying to the court, my lord, she forgave me and overlooked it by the fact that we continued as husband and wife after she became aware of what I did with Judy. However, the very intelligent wife, the very intelligent Mary, did not allow him the opportunity of that defense. Once she became aware of his affair with Judy, she said, no more. You can't touch me again. By such a brilliant, immediate, and complete rejection of his adultery, the wife will win a divorce case because there was never any condonation. And when he tried to bully her over a decision not to be touched by him anymore, she slammed him with a petition. You all know about that petition. If they burn you well, if you know your coconut head is shining, if you know that your father is Pet Edochie, if they burn you well, come 6 meters, 6 feet, 8 feet close to that house or wherever I am, you will collect. Other African women should learn, other women should learn from this act. You need to be able to stay clear and say clear and complete no to rubbish. If you keep tolerating nonsense, you will find yourself in a pile of nonsense. Now you can use your tongue to count your teeth. I'm going to stop there because every that you have heard is full of a lot, that substance.